Hello, in this lecture we will discuss about some examples of the projection of point, and this is the quadrant system. First, second, third quadrant are shown here, HPVP. There are some questions of the projection of point and their front views and top views. Point A, in which the front view and the top both are above XY line. We know that when the front view is in the top of XY line, it can be in the first or second quadrant. But by determining top view, we can find that it is in the second quadrant, as the HP plane is get rotated, so it can be above XY line. So that's why it is in the above XY line. So it is the second. And point B, whose front view is below XY and top view above XY. Means front view is below XY, that's why it can be in the third or fourth quadrant. But top view above XY line, it's get rotated, and it can be in the third quadrant as the HP plane is rotated. As this HP plane get rotated, that's why it is in the third quadrant, point B. Now point C, front view and top view both are below XY line. As front view in below XY line, that's why it can be third or fourth quadrant. But the top view is also below, hence we rotate this HP plane in this direction. That's why point C comes in the fourth quadrant. And point D, front view is above XY line and top view below XY. Front view is above XY, that's why it can be in the first or second quadrant, but top view is below XY, and we rotate this as front view is above and top view is below. So that's why we will mark this as A point, sorry, D point. D point. Here some examples are also shown, A, B, C, D. We will mark these on reference line. Point A, which is on the HP and 20 mm behind BP, means when we see it from front, it will on the reference line, its front view A dash, and when we see the top view, it is 20 mm behind BP, means 20 mm behind BP means second quadrant, and it get rotated, so its top view will be above XY line, 20 mm above. This is A. Point B, which is below HP and 25 mm behind BP, means it is in the behind, means second or third quadrant, and below the HP, hence it is in the third quadrant, means its front view. When we see it from front, it is behind, it is below HP, means front view will be above below XY line, means B dash, and top view will be above XY line as the plane get rotated. This is B. This is 25. This is 25. Now point C. Point C is 25 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Above the HP means in the first or second quadrant, and 30 mm in front of BP means it is in the first quadrant above HP and in front of BP. When we show the front view, hence it will be above C dash, and top view will be low at lowest, means in below the reference line. Top view C, this is 15 mm and this is 30 mm. Now point D, below HP and 25 mm in front of BP. Below HP means it can be in third or fourth quadrant. Firstly we will draw the front view of D, means D dash, 40 mm, and 25 mm in front of VP has the plane get rotated, HP get rotated, so that's why it will can be also be in the blue, means 25. This is D, top view. Thank you. Keep subscribing for more videos.